In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get TikTok on your PC in 2020. Now for this, we don't need any third-party apps or any special software. We're simply going to use our browser and TikTok, okay? Before I jump into this, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video so that we can reach more people. I would appreciate that. That's all I'm going to ask for in return. Now, you want to open any browser and you want to go to tiktok.com, okay? So I'm going to go with Google and I'm going to search for TikTok, and then I can click on tiktok.com. Now once you're on the website, you want to find the three little dots at the top right corner, and you want to click on more tools and then developer tools, which is right there. Now click on that, and then it should open like a menu thing with a lot of code. There you go. Now you simply want to ignore all of that, but right there you can now choose a mobile device. You can choose the Galaxy S5, you can use any iPhone, and you can then use TikTok as if you're using it on your phone. Because if you click right there, you can go to trending. You can then watch videos. Let me turn down my volume. There you go. See, you can watch all of these videos.
It's a perfect
You can just scroll through. You can skip these videos. You can watch them. You can go to, yes it is. Right there you can find a lot of different people. You can search for accounts. You can click on sounds. You can use hashtags. You can find hashtags. You can go through this list of people. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can get TikTok on your PC, okay? So it now looks like you're on your phone on TikTok, okay? But this is actually on my PC. Now, if you enjoyed this video, if this was helpful, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. Comment down below that this works. Subscribe to the channel as well, and then I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.